let's have a look at the adjustment for Springfield 2015, ordinary level question 5, and how many more shares can Springfield Ltd issue or sell. So to find the figures to calculate this, basically how many shares they can sell is the difference between the authorized shares and the issued shares. So authorized shares in a company is how many shares a company can sell. Issued shares are how many shares they have sold. So the difference between the two will tell you how many shares they've left to sell. So in this question for Springfield, the authorized share is 800,000. The issued shares are 72,000. So they're the two figures that we need. Our formula is authorized shares minus issued shares. So our authorized share is 800,000. We're going to take away our issued shares of 720,000. So the shares that they've left to sell are 80,000. Now remember, the unit in this is going to be shares. So to find out how many more shares can Springfield issue, you're going to take the issued shares away from the authorized shares. That's going to give you 80,000. So they've got 80,000 shares left to issue. So that's number 4 for Springfield 2015, ordinary level question 5.